Why are people so loyal to dysfunction? I don't know a world where products work and you don't. Are you making progress though? Like, can you actually tell if your hair is growing or not? People don't like to read, they don't like to learn. I feel like y'all don't listen to me when I'm nice. If you wanna know what grew my hair, I did. Hey Wonderfros, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe. And if you're old here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be going over 5 things that every natural should know by now, and if you don't, sis, bro, we need to talk. Sometimes I forget what people know and what they don't, so I'm just gonna go over a few things. They might be repeats to you if you're an OG natural, but if you just big chopped the other day and you don't know this stuff, then this video is definitely for you. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. The first thing that you need to know is that you have to learn for yourself and you have to learn from other naturals. When it comes to cosmetology school, beauty school, hairstylists, they get their license, but there is no natural hair chapter in beauty school. There is no natural hair like cosmetology chapter section that they go over to properly learn about black hair and or highly textured hair. If you're just ethnically inclined, you could be a whole bunch of different mixes. But when you have very textured hair, very natural kinky hair, there is no natural hair guide. There is no chapter that they went over and it's like, oh yeah, I know a lot about natural hair. Even curly hair, the only thing that they're taught is how to chemically straighten it and or straighten it with a flat iron. And usually if you're natural, you're not straightening your hair every single day unless you are a heat trained natural. But if you're not that, you want to keep your kinks and curls as healthy as you possibly can. And just because you're going to someone with a license does not mean that they know what's best for your hair. So you need to learn for yourself and usually from other naturals, mainly because there are people that have pioneered this space for a long time and can tell you a thing or two. So just be mindful that every time you're going to someone that's licensed, it does not mean that they know what's best. And I have said this time and time again, master your own hair, be a better version of yourself. Don't just put all of your trust in the person doing your hair because they might not know, seriously. And I'm not saying that to scare you away from hairstylists, but I know you've probably had at least 1 or 2 bad experiences with hairstylists in your life, and it's not because they were trying to do you so wrong, it's literally because they're uneducated about our hair as well. So make sure that you are properly educating yourself. There can be a lot of misinformation going around, but there is no chapter on us, okay? So you gotta make your own chapter. Number 2, hair growth does not come in a bottle. And I have said this time and time again. I am trying to get across so clearly, but I feel like when I'm nice, y'all don't like to listen to me. Like I got to like snap and like yell at y'all, but hair growth does not come in a bottle, sis. Bro, if you think that you can go and say, hey, this thing is gonna grow my hair, literally the wording on the bottle, like I don't think, and correct me if I'm wrong, but legally, companies cannot say that something will grow your hair unless it is a hair regrowth product. And even those have like certain regulations on them. You can only say it'll help promote growth. That does not mean it will grow your hair. Help promote and it will grow are 2 different things. If you wanna know what grew my hair, I did. I'm not gonna sit up here and say that products don't help. I have obviously been a product junkie and I am obviously a hair vlogger that tries a lot of new things. But if my hair is flourishing, it's not because of the product. While it does help with manageability and maintaining your hair's health, it cannot grow your hair. It cannot actually grow your hair. Your metabolism, your diet, your body chemistry, that's what grows your hair. So hopefully you guys are looking for answers from within before you go run out and spend your money on something that can help promote hair growth, but literally cannot grow your actual hair. Products are great for maintenance, and having the proper vitamins and nutrients you need, which are in a lot of products, are essential. But in reality, they cannot say that something will grow your hair. They can only say that it will help, and I hope the difference between the two makes you guys go out and do something better with your metabolism, okay? Rather than just the maintenance of your hair. Now, I do think it is a combination of both things. You need to have a healthy diet and drink lots of water, but also have a proper regimen to help you maintain the hair that actually grows out of your scalp. It takes two to make the thing go right, okay? Number 3. There is a balance that you have to maintain with your healthy hair lifestyle, and that is the protein moisture balance. If you guys aren't keeping up with your protein moisture balance, whether or not you're getting too much protein or too much moisture, hair growth will be very hard. I hear all the time in the DMs and comments and here on the channel that people's hair is breaking off. There is a lot of reasons why your hair can break off, but more often than not, your protein moisture balance is like a seesaw. Like, it's all over the place. You have to maintain it, have enough protein and have enough structure, and also have enough moisture, aka have enough water. The only source of moisture is water. I don't care what anything else says, it's just water. That's it. That's it. You cannot get moisture anywhere else except for from water. So basically, you need to have enough structure and enough water in your healthy hair regimen in order for your hair strands to flourish. Now, when it comes to protein, like I said, it provides the structure so that your hair can continue to grow and not be too elastic. And when it comes to water and moisture, you want your hair to be a little bit elastic, have some bounce back to it, but not so much that it just stretches and stretches and stretches and feels kind of gummy. That's that's moisture overload. And protein overload, more often than not, will make your hair break off because it is too much structure. You're gonna need more elasticity, and then with moisture overload, you're gonna need more structure. So you gotta keep the balance between the two. I know before there were forums, there were websites, there were dictionaries even that taught people like the language and how to actually navigate these natural hair streets, but a lot of them are shut down now, not because I think anything went wrong, but because people don't like to read, they don't like to learn, they don't like to actually master something and do it for themselves. They just want a product that's gonna be like, ooh, this gonna make my hair grow. And we've already covered that hair growth doesn't come in a bottle. Maintaining the protein moisture balance based off of what type of natural you are, if you're color treated at all, you're going to have to cater that to you. Once again, master yourself, know thyself, and all other things will manifest if they're in proper balance, okay, and proper order. Number 4, I have touched on this already during this video, but the only source of moisture is water. You can use products that will help you seal in the water, keep it in as long as possible, and once again, maintain your elasticity at a healthy level. But you cannot get moisture from anything else other than water. So be aware if a product says the first ingredient is aloe vera juice or anything other than water, you're probably not really moisturizing your hair. Can a lot of these ingredients be great for your hair? Yes, but are they moisturizing it? No. If water is nowhere in the picture, you're not moisturizing. And that goes to say for your hair and for your body. Your body is 70–80% water. So if you're not getting enough water, then what's the point of putting water on your hair and not putting it in your body? Sis, are you moisturized though? Okay, are you moisturized? Your actual body. There are plenty of genetic makeups, I'm sure, that can just do whatever they want, eat whatever they want, and their hair is still gonna grow down to their ankles, but mine is not one of them. And if you want to see actual progress and hair growth in your journey, you're gonna have to do something different. And I know a lot of people aren't great about drinking a lot of water. I am great about drinking a lot of water, but I think that has helped and contributed to my hair growth over the years. So make sure that your body and hair are moisturized. I don't know a world where products work and you don't. You got to do something. Staying properly hydrated is a very, very, very important something. And the fifth thing that every natural needs to know is that every ingredient is not going to work for you. I know they said it would help promote hair growth. I know the girl on the bottle has really long, luxurious hair, but that's all marketing. And there is a difference of harmful ingredients in general that are harmful for everyone and harmful ingredients for you specifically. If you have any kind of sensitivities, maybe y'all don't have allergies or anything, because I wish I was one of those people so freaking bad. I wish I didn't have allergies to nothing. I wish I wasn't sensitive to nothing. I wish I didn't react to everything. But I'm one of those people that knows even if something is promoted a certain way or marketed a certain way, that does not mean that it is healthy for me. Every natural is not going to be a one size fits all. And I know you guys know that, but if someone said shea butter, aloe vera juice, and glycerin are what makes my hair grow, I can guarantee you my hair would break off with those same three ingredients. So harmful in general, obviously stay away from toxins and terrible things, but harmful to you is going to be tailored and catered to your body chemistry, your sensitivities, and your hair journey. So once again, find what works for you. I know it's like beating a dead horse, but like I said, I feel like y'all don't listen to me when I'm nice. I feel like y'all don't listen to me when I'm nice. Finding out what works for you is a proactive thing. It will require action, it will require energy, but you can't keep doing the same thing over and over expecting different results. That's the definition of what? And while we can be crazy about hair growth, I think you actually need to be sane enough to do something that's working, not something that's not working. Why are people so loyal to dysfunction? It's not working. I hope you guys can definitely tell the difference between marketing, promotion, and actual results. Because if you've been growing your hair for 10 years and it just hasn't grown past like your fingertip, there's something wrong. And even if the products aren't harmful, they're probably harmful to you. So hopefully this video helps. These are all things that I have known for years, but once again, if you're new here in these natural hair streets, you just found out and you can do better if you know better. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!